Hi guys. Okay, as you know, I've been working on a cooking theme journal. So I thought I would make some quick, easy, super easy recipe cards with pages from this little book. Now this little cookbook, it's all pastries and cakes and slices, and this was making me so hungry working on it. The good thing about this is the pages are really small and the recipes are one page. So it's got a recipe on one page and then a picture of the recipe. So it's really good. You can just very easily make this into a recipe card. The little recipes don't go over onto another page. It's just one page, so it's just perfect to make recipe cards. I'll show you a few that I've already made and then I'll make a couple with you. I mean, they're super easy. You don't need to be shown how to make them, but just in case you didn't think of maybe using a small cookbook just for recipe cards. I don't know about where you all may live, but where I am, all the op shops have so many cookbooks and they try and sell them really cheap just to get rid of them. So yeah, I mean, like, they've always got shelves of cookbooks, and I've got myself a whole shelf of cookbooks as well on my bookshelf. So good opportunity to use some pages while I'm working on the cooking theme journal. So these are some that I've already made. So these are quite thick, like card. I'll pop a few of these into this recipe journal and some will be used for other projects down the track. So now these I haven't inked. I'll leave them clean like this for now. I may ink some of them when I use them, but for now I'll just leave them. I think they look nicer like this. This one, chocolate and cherry slice. How good does that look? So I was thinking things like this. This one is lemon stars. This would be good to go in a Christmas journal even. Sticky gingerbread muffins. This one, butterfly cupcakes. So you could put this in a cooking or recipe themed journal, or you could put it in a butterfly journal. Like, just different options. How good does this look? Oh my gosh, chocolate mud cake. Walnut brownies. And I like these pictures. They're quite muted. They're not overly bright, and you know, when you look at a lot of cookbooks, the pictures are quite ugly sometimes and the colors are just too bright and glossy. This one I really like because it's quite muted, and I think the matte paper also helps. Passion fruit melting moments. Yum, I love passion fruit. Quick banana bread. Passion fruit. Why am I telling you all the recipes? This is going to make you hungry as well. Peppermint and chocolate slice. Okay, you may not know this about me. Over the years, I've shared some of my irks and quirks, but I don't like mint. I like fresh mint. I will eat fresh mint straight out of the garden, but I don't like mint flavored things. So that's a big problem with toothpaste. And I'm one of those obsessed people that must brush their teeth all the time. So yeah, mint and toothpaste. Why are all our toothpaste in Australia minty? Please, I need some strawberry flavoured toothpaste. Actually, funny enough, my friend James, he's in America. Years ago, because he knows my problem with mint and having to brush my teeth with mint toothpaste because there's nothing else, he sent me this whole box of this other toothpaste it was orange, but it wasn't orange flavored. Just the color of the toothpaste was orange, but it didn't have a minty taste. It was so good. It took me a couple of years to use up that box, but yeah, we don't have it in Australia. All the toothpastes are minty. Anyway, enough of me complaining about mint. I would like this if it didn't have the peppermint in it. Look how good this is. Peanut toffee shortbread. Yum, yum. Anyway, making me hungry. They're pretty good. They're nice and big. You could probably cut them down smaller. You know, I've left that space at the top and on the bottom of some of them. But more than likely for me, they'll go into bigger size journals anyway. Okay, so all I did, this is, I feel a bit stupid showing you, but I thought just to give you ideas. And look, I've just left mine like this, but you can jazz these up. You know, you could put like, I don't know, a little eyelet in the corner and put some little charms or something dangling off them, like, you know, a little coffee cup charm or something. I don't know. You could use your imagination. You could sew some fabric on the top, make it a, you know, a pull card. I've kept them just plain like this, I think, because, you know, I don't know, they're recipe cards. Anyway, and you don't even have to put them into cooking themed journals. Like I said, there's one there that's Christmassy, butterfly. Put them in regular journals. I just think they're happy mails. They're good for happy mails. Okay, so all I did, if I didn't like the picture too much, I kind of skipped it. Now this one, you may also know another one of my little quirkities is I don't like coffee or tea. I don't drink coffee or tea. Yes, I know. Everyone's always shocked. I love coffee dyed papers, but I don't drink coffee or tea. I can't even stand the smell of coffee. So anyway, this little page, this is coffee cupcakes. Now, I don't like coffee, but somewhere in my room, in my boxes that still haven't been unpacked from my old craft room. You know, I used to have a craft room in the house in my daughter's old bedroom after she moved out. And then I moved into the garage. I've still got boxes from the move that I haven't unpacked. Anyway, somewhere in there is a half-started coffee journal. So, you know, something like this, little coffee cupcakes recipe card could go into that. Anyway, all I've been doing is I've got my picture on this side and my recipe on this side. I've just been gluing them together. Kind of, these pages are thick, so once you've glued a couple together, you know, they almost become like cardboard. I'm just going to make one with you because, I mean, it's so basic, you know. You don't need to see me make a million of them. Anyway, my husband was working in my craft room, so when he went on his lunch break, I thought I'll quickly come in and film it. That's why I've already made some. I was making some at the kitchen table this morning. Now, quite a few times I glued the wrong side together. Not paying attention. This is still that Kmart glue stick. I must say I'm very impressed. I really like them. I wish I had have tried them out earlier. I've only tried them because, like I said in a previous video, my husband bought me some when I asked him to pick me up some glue sticks. I usually use those Yoo-hoo ones. UHU, is it, the yellow ones? But, and I was a bit annoyed when he brought home those cheap glue sticks. I really thought they'd be crappy, but I quite like them. I mean, who knows if my papers will be stuck together in a year's time, but so far I've really, really liked them. Okay. So now I just need to make sure I glue the right sides together. Oh, my fingers are so cold. It's really dark and overcast and raining here today. We had this morning at about 2, it was like 5 degrees. No, sorry, at 5:30 it was 5 degrees. At 2 it was 8 degrees. Now, my friend James that I was talking about that sent me the orange toothpaste, every day I say to him, oh, it's so cold. And he lives in Boise, Idaho. So every day he says to me, you don't know what cold is. Like, I complain it's cold when it's like 20 degrees. Okay, I'm talking Celsius. I know a lot of you are in the US. I can't convert to Fahrenheit off the top of my head for the life of me. I can't do it. But, yeah, 20 degrees is cold for me. But I do love winter. Actually, I love autumn. I wish it was autumn all year round. Okay. Now, so I just basically glued 2 double pages together. So this is 4 pages thick. Then I just shoved them under a book or whatever I had at the kitchen table while they dried. And I did actually, because when I glue the 2 pages together, they're not lined up straight. Let's see. So I do give them a quick trim. Now I haven't measured. I don't care what size they are. Sorry, this is 2 that I had ready because the other one I just did. I'll let that dry. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, it's under the mat too. Okay, these are 2 that I did earlier because, you know, you can't cut it when it's wet. It just squishes the side down. So now I just snip it. I don't measure. I don't care the size. It doesn't worry me. I don't need them to all be exactly the same size. Okay, see this one? Spice Christmas muffins. So this can go in a Christmas journal, which I will actually make some this year. I have not made Christmas journals in ages. What's this one? Spiced treacle gingerbreads. This one could also go in a Christmas journal, or a Valentine's journal, or a cooking journal, or a journal with no theme. But if you only make themey journals, yeah, there's lots of different little themes in the cookbooks. Did I do that side? I don't remember now. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Now, are you all cooking themed journaled out yet? I've done a few videos. I haven't worked on the journal much, but I've done a few videos. I will try and put some non-cooking journal videos in between if I can. I've rounded the corners just to make them look more like a recipe card rather than book pages stuck together. Oops. Okay. Okay, and that's it. Aren't they cute? Like I said, Inkham. I could probably have cut this, you know, shorter to get rid of the page number, but I don't care. I'll leave that there. I think they're quite nice. Anyway, that's it. Just another little idea to make your own ephemera. And that's it. Thanks for watching.